Coming up on 8:40 this morning, with Washington's newest restrictions now in place today, the latest coronavirus data does show us exactly why now really is the most important time to shake off our coronavirus fatigue, buckle down, especially here in Spokane County. Let's look at the latest data from Spokane Regional Health District today. The curve, by the way, that we've been watching all year and trying to get flat like we did a few times here throughout the year, well, now it's pointing straight up. You can see here it's about as high as it's ever been by a clear mile. But let's take that curve away for a second and look at the data just a little bit differently. I highlighted a few dates here at the end, including this light blue date, which is the new record high that we have in Spokane County. 425 new cases reported in one day this past Saturday, the 14th. Now, as we add in the other orange lines, we're looking at 12 straight days of new reported cases that are above 100. By the way, this weekend, so as we add up Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in Spokane County, the total number of cases combined for more than the entire month of June. Now, I get it. As we look at this chart, we're all very frustrated about COVID ruining our holiday plans. We've seen graphs like this all year long. The fatigue of dealing with the pandemic has really felt overwhelming for months and months now. But now is not the time to lighten up. And let's look to the north for an example of why. If you've seen on your social feeds today, there's a chance that there might be a post or a picture of someone talking about how Canada can act as a warning to the United States as we're getting into the holiday season. That's why we're looking at this data from Canada right now, because this comes, by the way, from Johns Hopkins University, but because I want to focus on this date. This is October 12th. This is Canadian Thanksgiving. Now look at the difference between the days before and the days after that date. In the weeks that followed, and even now, a month later, Canadian health officials are still struggling to bring their numbers back down. In fact, 2 of their 5 single-day totals all year happened in just the last week. And that's why we're seeing so many state leaders calling for us to really buckle down as we go into the holiday season, especially as numbers are already spiking.